Thank you very much, Sister Justina. Yeah, thank you. The unyame ase tedebia no ofa oso ehira yen ete nwom no a no mani age nwom a medo no pa no mani ge ho ba ko eno no amempa ebo no si nyina no ye besre urade sania ye wo biara oma yenye no kware dance for ma no ebre bi no mu pridi bi ebre bi no mu pri asasi su niema asasi su ajapade ne niema ensene mfata no urade ma yenye no kwafo ma no si ye de ebegina ye bekasa mpa ehu urade ni hu no ya fa ne se ye kraje nkwa ya nante na kwan so ya ye ne opani aboa kraje adwuma ya boa wonyame adwuma ye de yesika ye de ya hoden ye de yenyansa na aboa wonyame adwuma no ama na timi akoso abedrum pempenso bi a eti sei asedanka awurade din enu nti enne nyame adom asan be hiem opani gi abo ne opani Dennis yedamo ase se mo facilitate program yi ema bibia ekoso kama esre nyame se obekoso akan ye ho adofo a watimi nya bre minim se mugu ho ada bia mobile onyame wo nhira mo enye nyina na yetimi ba ada biara, but I'm happy se utimi ba ye na onyame adwuma na ode ahye nsa no ye nya chefa ewom eyade asabe ye kan se yenim dada bada bia ye kaka ye ho ye se sabe body ohoi udi tu jemu a na wugya ne saa na ehye edurumre bia na nyame adom mpo nimdia ye wo no na ye toto nase na ye jemu na emom ye ba ne ye kaka ye ho a na boayam ye hunu se ehia se gidie no ye hyemu den ye hyemu kna ne ye koso emuvu ne ye koso ekoye anim nkunimdiem eno nti enne ye mamo akwaba ye saase efrik Abel eni Cain afode ye so ani esi egina ne free akomam yen attitude yensu yen ban ene tre nipa ko a ye eni afode ye ko a ye bo ye san ehwehwe mu the head and not the tail kwan be ni betimi afaso ni aye tire na sebe yenkoye dua ni wonyame de ahye yensa no ye betimi aye no na hoden eni ni tumi mu esan bisa ye ho will a man rob God ye hwe Malakai eni kwan a ye faso a ye bo onyame kro no still worship no ye kan eni de we look at it free Old Testament, New Testament, if ye herefore, ye man so enhweso awodo bebre won a wo ye fie herefore, won dwumadi esi wodie, ne ye wo hwehwe free won chen. Eno nso nyina na ye hwemu si ye betimi ehu sampa. Ye stewards of the Lord Almighty. Eno achi no ye toa so seeing money the way God sees it. Kwan be ne betimi afaso ne ehu sika. Ne adele with sika, se ne wonyame ehu sika. Eno nso ya de a ehia. We also look at giving with a purpose. Enye oma kwasawama ye wo botai ye wo bienti a ye yi ensika ye de boa onyame adwuma enu nti bere biara ye yi bidi aboa onyame adwuma no e wo se ehunu se ye wo botai enu nti ye hweye no ene ye san hwe faithfulness, the job description of a faithful steward or of a steward, and he said that he will be found what? Faithful. So be hunu so ye no kwafo nukuredie ewo misika semu nukuredie ewo osika semu nukuredie wo sene memma esene esifatie me ye no kwafo sene me kan ye no wo hye wo dem wo kokoam obi oni ho wa sori mu asabe opani o ye treasurer opani ba no o mama hwehwe obi a yihu se yesi fa pay slip ba o nke be fe pa nke be nige yesi ansa na tight ye be je no fa pay slip ka ho me a hwe pay slip me a hwe sampa 10% pepe nim se nke yemu bebre ye be fail test no but onyame hwehwe se ye be no kwafo amma no na watimi ahyira yen enti ye fam die no kurum na onyame nti ye bedi nkunim ye hwe where is your treasure me a yeso wadem di wo no eho ene wakoma nso wo baby a wajapade no won ajapade no anasa de na wo pe no eno na de akoma no kɔ saabia ho eno na de akoma no kɔ baabi eno na ma wo nipadua no wadwene enu nsusue si baabi na ye sika menkoa me de na wonwene afoforo eho na yentimi nwene onyame adwuma nso ho bare ne yes onyame frɛ yen ese yenye no kwafo ema no ene matu ni din say money matters. Young people, I hope say unyame adom yesiesie ye ho say yebemma unyame asem no akasa kyerɛ yɛn. Yemu bebree yenim ntiase, yemu bebree yenim sɛnea ntusuo dudu ho nsɛm no etie but yakasa ho bebree. Yesrɛ nyame sɛ enne yebetimi asiesie ye ho. Na yenye nipa ye ni begyi sika ho. Yenye nipa we will be thinking of amassing. Yesterday we talk about what males ni any ade a omobo tai ni say obenya more de ni ohwehwa ni say obenya more. Yemu bebre saa ne ya ne yetie ye fom ye pre amonhwehwe onyankopon ahenie ne trene kane o se na ne aka mu nyina no de be den o de be ba mo. God first in every aspect of our lives. God first. Money matters. Say enetie. Unyame ema mumaye mompaye. Ujaba atampa. Wahumo bro etim hoda eye kese eye foforo. Da uyinedi echreyen. Enen so homide ye da wasio si enya chefa wahwe yen so aboye ho ban nempo yaba yebeti ho nsem. Medo wase akoma ode ahie ha nyinara mede hye wonsa. Ma wadoye ma omobro hunu ma wonhyira entra yen so. Boye na bie ya akomam yenye wasem yetimi famobra yenhye wanimunyam enye ahoden enye nyansa enye etumi yedan wo kasa kyerɛ yen o Yesu din mu nti amen. Money matters. Akenka asɛm no sɛnea opani kan no from James chapter 5 Yakubu 3 num. James chapter 5 no bebre kan a omofa no sɛ e de enyame dia sɛbe menye sikani esikafo na James ene wo kasa wonga owo bie wonga esi wonyie wonga owo sika kese but me pese nwumre ye tie ase senye saa na etie James ewo ensempa bi a wode maye enti we don't have to be too hasty to come to that conclusion that this message is not meant for us but meant for the rich, because in the face of what most of the world lives on, you are rich, my friend. Period. Me pesa wo ti ase ye hwewi ase a yetimu no a wo ye sikani. Sani a wo tie biara wo ye sikani in your own right. Yen ko hwehwe esikafo sese begana e ka despite nom indium nom ni ade enye no ne ye ka. In your own right, in your own sphere, you are a rich person. Young people, statistics tells us that those who live in the 40 poorest countries of the world, where over 3/4 of the world's population lives, the annual per capita income is $270. Think about it. Countries bear 40 we are seeing nyina e kan se sebi ahia won no. Yes, wo population, wo nipa no ye fa wo ne echemu a. Uchemu nan a emumiensa sebi oman ni nyina sika wo oman na japade nyina uchemu de ma wo population no a. Ubia de ye $270. I believe say sika yi ebi nya no one day, true or false. But look at 40 countries in the world. Your money, your weekly income is higher than theirs. Sika wunyano within a week, higher than these people. 40 countries all over the world. Now, are you a rich person? Ronald Sider, what your book be? The Rich Christians in an Age of Hunger. Rich Christians in an Age of Hunger. You have never tasted what it means to be hungry. You have enough to eat and to waste, to eat and to throw away. America, who say yes, me try American Airlines more. Na me sre adenti ya compare with them rating hwan no mo agi din nyina omo cap omo de ma nsuo anase ye de ma juice enom no hu so omo cap no eye nkete but going to American Airlines omo cap omo de ma no hu se kese cap wa emu odu cap wa ebi komu. That is America for you. But are hosem say amaye atwa ye ho ahia ye hiafo. Most Christians also in the northern hemisphere simply do not believe Jesus is teaching about the deadly danger of possessions. We all know that Jesus warned that possessions are highly what? Dangerous. Okay. Was it a Christopher one Northern Hemisphere, America, Hanmoni, Canada, Nomini Adeno, Europe, Nomini Adeno, Bebrena, Moye Yeno, woman a Christopher Titron or Kawan Wansem. Omokas Yesu Christo a footwonin in Samoa or Ka Efa a Hunya Diahono. A footwa or the Maya Nakoko, Bonsamo or the Maya, the dangers, no, Yen Yatutonase. I say, but do you not believe Jesus? Christians in the United States live in the richest society in the history of the world, surrounded by billion hungry neighbors. Yet we insist on more and more. Onyamiadum, menya kwanya tutu kwanya kwa maya hodoso. Britain maya kawe Germany ninyina o compare ubien to America. No matter what. Ubien to America. Yeti ha onyame ahyira yen ya ye eko yie mayen. Nanso ya ne yenhu. We are always looking for more. And say me to na me hwe TV. Na me hwe Caravan a free South America. Caravan, thousands of people. Almost year 2 free call America. It's mind-boggling. Why would people just decide say year 2 free call near headed towards America? Near Nantia, ye for or how a maniemu would Chinese when you be American kwa ne hobetono. That is where we find ourselves. But unfortunately, how God blesses us, we don't see it. We are still asking for more. We insist on more. Talk about mihia car way, mihia sports car, mihia SUV, mihia one sedan, whatever. Ni yepe, more. But hunger, ohia etwaye hwensia. Ehia for etwaye hwensia. And into James, his warning to you, and I want you to consider yourself as a rich person, young man, young woman listening to me. You should see yourself that James is speaking to you. James is calling your attention to the dangers of possession and the danger of desiring and wanting more. Or say, listen, you rich people, Mon edifo weep and wail because of the misery that is coming on you. Enam or how or say your wealth has rotten and moved, have eaten your clothes. And right, you can want some. Or say usikano apro, usikano asay, then we boa and it wonga at an arching day, say, usabi wontadi and right kasafa. Those days, what demonstrated privileges and what do you call it? A pruvuse will be a sikeni. Wata dear will ban and near my son and no moshe et mikase ampa. Was your gold and silver are corrode rusika. Usika call anywhere united a winner chain. Their corrosion will testify against you and eat your flesh like fire. And no more say ya abaswono. You have hoarded wealth. What is sika esie in the last days? Ewiemremu awonyame hwese sempano beko ewiemremu awonyame pese yebribi pa edemano ewiemremu awonyame pese die sika ye dwete eboa na dwuma eboa na so dansie no ena wo miemia so ena wo hodo ena wo kipu. Oh, God have mercy. James is saying, look, the wages you fail to pay the workers who mold your fields are crying out against you. Uye wenyina wo pre ehodu sikano. Arehosamoni say, one mobrofo ehiafo wonga wo ye dwuma ma won so ne ese wudi tua won kano. Umiemia so ubokrono edumre bia wonga wo hye yanse dwuma esika esi ede ma won adwuma esi wayama adwuma no a esi etua wo mka no ne yemu bi ye miemia so ne yemu bi ye bomukrono ne yemu bi ye disie. What is the botai? Botai no ne saying ye sisi mobrofo. In spite of all what we have, or see you have lived on earth in luxury. What here? What's your and self-indulgence? What the one who send near mamu would di wonum or say what the asetna fair atena asase so na mo abo ahohwie na mo nyane mo akoma se akumda. Just imagine the day of slaughter. Mo jimuani mo ye niema hohibra. Young people, are you listening to me? How do you live your life? Luxury, self-indulgence, ahohibra. Ye say sika, ye jieni, parties akesie, uko landia, and na josa weekends, parties. That is our lifestyle, young people. Ye ko party, ye ko ha, ye we, ye jieni, ye say. Do you think about the gospel? Do you think about the propagation of the gospel? Do you even think about the church building? Yes, some of you are doing your best, but maybe your best is not enough. You could do better. Some of you are also doing nothing. We are just there. We think we have not grown. We think it is adult business. No, young people, it is our business. All of us are involved. Yenyinaran wonyamia freyen esiemrame na juma. Yenyinaran wonyamia se yedia koma kro adwen kro. All hands on deck to move the work of God forward. Are you there, somebody? God is calling you and I. James is speaking to us. And as I said, don't be too quick to ignore the first 6 verses of chapter 5, as if they only apply to people with huge fortunes. James is writing to people he describes as rich, yet they probably did not have a standard of living higher than the majority of Americans today. Wongana James ichrokomu omusikano omwono enrunia wo and a young man, young woman, what's your homa, what graduate, a juma we wouldn't sabisikaye de bois. Have you thought of God's work? What do you unyamia jumanesu when so? Moba for the nefe. Young people, sabe, buokra musika munyan monin penifono mo ben pa. But the question is, ye nyinani ye involved. And now few people be and whom the need. God is calling us. Yenyinara uti America ha enkase wonka ho ukasikafo no ho ko wakurasia we somebody ehana bia wonye somebody a uko wakurasia you are somebody. God has blessed you. And am so nyame asira wonti onyame nam James so kasachro. The principle that James shares are important today. James says, listen to me carefully, young man, young woman. In order to use money properly, whether it is a little or a lot, you must take God into account. Period. Yebetimia spend this sika. Yesika sembetimia koye senia ewose ekwa. Brebiara ewose adwin wonyame ho. You know, so who believe in God, it affects how you live your life. Obi a wodi onyame die biara. Ewo nsunsuaso ewa brabo a wobo. Because your belief in God is going to affect every decision you make in life. It will affect your life decision. God is not nearly so concerned with what you do with the millions of dollars you do not have, as he is how you use the $10 you do have. No nyame e kanu nya 1 million na wo hwani mu no. Uganda ni minister bi kan say ne botai ni so benya $1 million. Nya no enye no nya botai no. Enye sika no a wo pe no a unya nyaye no enu no nyame ye concerned about. God is concerned about my faithfulness, your faithfulness in these little things. Sika nketwa no a wo no. Unukredia wudi numu. Unukredia wudi numu no. Enu nehia. Are you spending your money on things that are really important to you? The answer will be yes. Ubeka sign. It will see kayeni mepe. Minimobi osmidie. Ma brain menya misikenti ese midie. Wakane sa tatra. No di ato. Ma bre. Na wane ma wa hodeno. Wane ma wunyansan. Everybody has a responsibility towards the community. Period. You cannot be an island. Your responsibility towards our communities. Community no expect a lot from you. Baby biara enyamia dom wahwe so abo hoban amawanyini na woti society mon, you have responsibility. Unimu Affairs Ghana has contributed to what you are today. What you are today. Obu ohwa First Ghana nka juma kura unye binye. Obu ohwa First Ghana nka brochire nka woma. Obu ohwa First Ghana nibi ene ye bibi ma wa ene ne wasitre mu asisa. And how that's what we are doing to them. But thank God, we have a community and we are responsible to our communities. Community no wa boyen. Ye matitiemu, ye mani nyinimu, ya bayani ye refu. Mo kekan, na mo refu penifo na. Womo esa omo adaji youth ministry, children's ministry. Ninyina, they have contributed to who you are today, young man, young woman. And you have responsibility towards the church. You got to do something. You got to return. You got to pay back. This is time for you to invest in the work of God. Are you spending your money on the things that should be important to you? Not just spending, but things that are relevant, things that are important. Restaurants. Now, Ghana for Yanyesa, you did do here once in a while. But you spend a lot of money moving up and down, aimlessly, parties. Now we'll spend it, now we'll spend it. Have you thought of it? How much are you spending on the work of God? You are accountable. I'm accountable to God for my increase. We want to examine 3 principles on how to make our money matter. Let's follow this. Principles, 3 principles. Number 1, or say, don't hoard it greedily. Manage it wisely. Do not hoard. And she says, Sikano and Wabuasu and Fenibre and Fesikano and Sie, Nemomni Onyamedia Domono. Manage it what? Wisely. James chapter 5, verses 1 to 3. What's it come now, Mumra? Rich. The rich people weep, oh, for your miseries are coming upon you. Misery, or however also. If it's a one you see, or manage you see, you have been hoarding, you have been spending on your own. Your riches are corrupted. How do you make your money? Your riches are corrupted, and your garments are moth-eaten. Your gold and silver are corroded. Usikana would so or see a winner chain. Stock exchange will be affecting. Usikana be co-waste. Unya no kwafo nti ebia de command crofo no mudi investment awodo apeso na nipa ewia. Why? Put God first. Don't hoard it greedily. Manage it wisely. The Bible never, I want you to follow me here. Stay smart, don't hoard. The Bible never condemns the accumulation of wealth, only the abuse of wealth. It is not a sin to have riches, but it is a sin to hoard riches. Are you with me? Enye boni so benye sika o. Na unye sika no a wode ye den. Wode pay so na wode pay so na wo hoard no. E hona problem ni wo. What are you using the money for? Ecclesiastes chapter 5 verse 13. Also there is a severe evil. Boni su kesie bi wo wiase which I have seen under the sun. Amehu na wiase ha. Riches kept for the owners to his hurt. Let me say to his detriment, to her detriment. Sika Odifunya na wasise na fe sikano esanbeye wo how sikano sanbeye wo say riches can't satisfy, friends. You cannot find satisfaction in riches. The Bible does not discourage the acquiring or acquisition of wealth, nor does it say that there is anything sinful about savings. No. Unya sika na utsevu utmi hunyansa kwan na unya sika na utmi pesika eye na unya febi bua unyame adwuma. Hallelujah. Not for yourself alone. And you have a responsibility to society, to the community. Na First Ghana ka community no. Enya maame no papa nko. Parents ni bi kura discourage ye ma. So mpeso mu ye bibi bua nyame adwuma ese sondodo. Now the home we shall be more wonyini abofra na hunu nyansa epeso ye bibi bu onyame adwuma now catch and say so dodo susu na be mani pe hu dodo o ye mfumso ka se me disofo wo London Emrebi, Masi wu na ese me ko Ghana yi. Me kra masafo na me koye. Me ba ye na church treasurer frame. And o ma me check of £1,000. No catch me ne say asafo baby na de say sika no bre no say onfa mame. Nipa krom pesu obi hume. Di nipa na tua to asori ne futuom. And was onfa mame. Ebesi ne me hu nipa krom. But I think it's the biggest money I've ever received from somebody. £1,000. Ebesi ne mi nim nipa krom. Ni onyame hwehwe no no. Enye bre biara na esi ehu. Opani asomasi, maami asomasi, obenten, edrumre bia, ubetimi akọ quietly. Treasurer ho, usibidin kura enchro. Unanimous. So pesa ubuwa wonyame adwuma na ewo kwan hodo bebra betimi afa so abo. Edrumre bia parents no ye na ye discourage ye ma. Bible no nkase enye se obenye sika. Na unye sika no a kai wo bofo, umra ntibrem. And son and abonenaba. Apostle Paul, he says in 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 14, also now for the third time, I am ready to come to you and I will not be burdensome to you. For I do not seek yours, but you. And you musika na me pe nemo munkwaje Paul wafutu semno. And you musika na sebe me pe. For the children ought not to lay up for a parent, but the parent for the children. Friends, it is wrong to store up wealth when you have unpaid bills that you owe to someone else. What they can now we say din. What they can now we say din. Would you be ka untuane ka usimi ye investment onyame ani nyesa ho honhomfo no onyame ka ho asem ne bi no honhommoni no bi no would you be ka a wonu hia sika na ya de na wo hodu sika no na wo di sika no ye bibi. There are many notable examples in the Bible of godly wealthy people. Enyame somfo anu omu sika. Abraham, Job, Nicodemus, Mary, Martha, Lazarus, Joseph of Arimathea, and Barnabas. They were good Christians, but they were also rich, and they used their money for the furtherance of the gospel. Abraham was a rich man, and yet he is noted as a man of faith and character. However, when Lot became rich, it ruined his character and ultimately his family. Are you there, somebody? Abraham. Wenye sika ode sumunyame Lot unye ebidi na to no woni na busuan nyina aseye hweyie na sika mesewo hweyie America tra mesewo hweyie ena want to nyame somo ase na ne wonyame ahirawa obetimi di abo na adwuma no wamfa amwa asem da homa. First, don't hold it greedily, manage it wisely. Now hwehwa kenka asem ya wo nyina kasa about the fleeting nature of earthly wealth. Fleeting nature. Yes, sika won tabai. Sika won tabai. Isake to na me mame entuma bi o kan say entuma ni din no. Me remfi sika e won tabai. Enti se bana ye rough wa wo san tu unye sika no wan hweye wan fa nyame ani wanim wan ma nyame kwan no wanya chefa e wo wabrabom na bo rough wa sika won tabai. Young man, young woman, watch out. Money has wings and can fly away. Proverbs chapter 23 verse 5 will say, for riches certainly make themselves wings. They flee away. Haggai chapter 1 verse 6, he that earns wages to put it into a bag with holes. Usikano. Sika botono ni odi bot sika ni chemu no enam sa wonye no kwafo enam sa wonfa nyame ni kan enam sa woma nyame mamu enam sa odi apobo enenya sika no ntino odi tumu a na ete say efriko na yira and you know Matthew say, do not lay up for yourselves treasures on earth where moth any corrosion ni adinyina thieves will come in and destroy it. When she said, money market fluctuates from hour to hour, and so does the stock market. Add to this the fact that life is a brief, and we cannot take our wealth with us, and see how foolish it is to live for the things of this world. Not more than 10 years after James wrote this letter, Jerusalem fell to the Romans, and all this accumulated wealth was gone. Was gone. Sikana ye feno, drumrebia eyera, inyantabai, etu. We cannot take our wealth with us. Now, what you mama example, baby. Esikafo, adefo, wanga no wobi, wanga was sebu ye, wanga was transit. They were so mices, mice. Wo mi esikaso sa. Who else me dey call? What they coin? What they coin? Where she Auntie Emma? Obetro check na amount. How this scanner to mama se fako asamado. Now they akutu ya we. Obema check. Udru hono mi here na dia mom no aje won sesa. Onyame hu ye mobo. It is greed that makes you hoard things. And nibre birie. And no na maye hoard. Me save na onyame adwuma no afi wani. Ye promote sikasem waso dem anu wa yiwani ese se be wayi nani se pani ayo. Wa yiwani ese mfa wo ho. Aso dem won so de wo betena se, wo tena konwa so, wo tena bibia so, but you don't care to contribute. God is calling you. Onyame frɛ me enyiwani. Amwa wani mri promoters no, omo kasa ma abu mfu won. Unkwaje na omo bua wo. Nyase sebi omo pesika na afo. Omo mfanye hwe. Nyansa onyame dia mo no. En wode bua mo onyame adwuma na timi akoso. Let's support them. Let's support them. At the end of the day, no, I saw that ye Syria, yanka so penny sebe penny champon, any team no, omusikeni. I saw penny poro, Jemfi, one see ni presso anansi ye see dan, or so far so see pension ye see dan, and a year the yanka impo. But the enemy said, first Ghana, we have a befitting place of worship. That is what we look forward to. A befitting place of worship. Baby a dimu. Baby a sombo a yenyina yeko akoyeden yeko sum ye nyame. And until Luke chapter 12 verse 14 will say, watch out. Be on your guard against all kinds of greed. A man's life does not consist in the abundance of his possession. Kweye enibiribidie na nye wusika enne wadan enye wakas enye wuwe wontade papa wo se no enye no na beje wo nkwa o. Enye no nebeje wo nkwa enye japade dodo no entoma dodo no paboa dodo no bag ya kese no enye no enebeje wo nkwa enye no nebeje me nkwa monhwehwe wo nyankopon ahenie ne trene kane na ne aka mu nyina also de beba. You need to invest in kingdom business. That is what I want you to go with. Business no onyame adwuma no, you need to have a role in it. You need to invest your money in kingdom business. Onyame adwuma no e wo so do sika isim. E wo se me di sika enu nkuto ne ho won faso. Sa sika na ye na sasi so empabo akese, entoma akese, entade akese, kasi akese, adan akese, ni nyina ye siwi a ye mfa nko. Misu nko na me de be call heaven. Usu na de be call heaven. God never intended for money to be a goal in itself. We are to use our money, not hoard it. She said, "Oh, be sending a year and binum, ye benounce, yes, ye, Obi akoma yesika kesie bi, osini sika bi odi ato, they so onfanye bibi, no de abre onyame asafo. That is the spirit. Why are you holding it? Why are you holding it? Omo de ba, ye de abo onyame adwuma. Onyame nhyiramo. Onyame muani nyinara, yemfra komapam enye. A story is told about one lady, Hetty Green. Hetty Green, you call on America's greatest miser. Wo pepe for Pamami. Yes, wo wu ye no. 1916, she left an estate valued at $100 million. Sika ne sombo $100 million. Ba otiase no, sebi obedi oatmeal crana also be heating nsuo de e heating oatmeal no be di ni nyonyo because nsuo no be heating no ebe yini sika bi afri ho ba wo ye what they call it miser, America's greatest miser. She left a fortune, $100 million and a mamini jaye ba otiase no was see obedi oatmeal meal aye den e cold rather than so be heating. Because on one you no credit in sikas. Benjamin Franklin said, money never made the man happy yet, nor will it. Sika many penny. There is nothing in his nature to produce happiness. The more a man has, the more he wants. Odi ba akọ one trip a onye sika bum no os ene ese mi kobiwa mesen nya mo no asan akọ ene mi kobiwa menya mo no asan akọ behu ese ya che no wo da fiase na nimguase na usika ye fin e woni penis onhwehwe onyame aheni ne trene ka ne sika e ma wonya nigye sika entimi nya ohwe. Don't hold. Number 2, don't withhold it deceitfully, earn it earnestly. Sheye and one for chrono, one more chrono, and yesika, where you mum, one caswa brabom, which you track connect. Yes, is hereby, yes, say, just to earn money, earn it honestly. Ma usika nyano, and yenu krimu, usika nyano, and free baby pa. Indeed, the wages of the laborers who mow your field, which you kept back by fraud, cry out. The cries of the reapers have reached the ears of the Lord of hosts. Or see, the word, the verb kept back in the original Greek. I said, Ubi awaye jumama. E wosi etuaneka. No wa fenyansa kwan no atwitwom sika no so. No wa fa. No wasisi wom. Bebre sa na ye o. Ye bo nkrofo apo. O lebra. Uwo kese. Onu woni bi. Ne kakra wano no abone krono. You see, day laborers in Palestine live on the very verge of starvation. His wage was small. It was impossible for him to save anything. And if the wage was withheld from him even for a day, he and his family simply could not eat. That is why the merciful laws of Scripture again and again insist on the prompt payment of his wages to a hired labor. You see, labor for those days, a hand from hand to mouth. Hand to mouth. Tika obenyano, a dano, and no one in a yere, amansa, at the bayan quine. Omuko diwie, near to her, or china one quadjuma woni di. Na sani pe ukofano, no be ye juma mount. Ne also tuaneka, now see, tuaneka wo bonepu, do nyame ujiri so nyame be helsa. That was their situation. In the Old Testament, Deuteronomy chapter 24. Verses 14 and 15. You shall not oppress a hired servant who is poor and needy. You should give him his high on the day he earns it. Before the sun goes down, for he is poor and sets his heart upon it, lest he cry against you to the Lord, and it will be what? Sin to you. When Chianeka no such radia, a radibeti, a raditia, the no man a starving family, a hiom, men weak with hunger. But one day a landowner calls them over. Monkoye juma mame, omkoye juma ni wienes utiom kaos mintia. Now for camera, now the nyansa. Oh, bapo, don't withhold it deceitfully. And fana da atro nyansa and more be a po and it honestly. Usika o nyano o kwanhweni o say yesikapa. Yesika fin sabe. Yesika fin. Yesika wan fa kwampasu no wenya. Fa kwampasu pa usika. That is what is expected of you. At the end of the day, don't withhold it. James reminds his friends that the Lord hears the cries of those who have been cheated. James say, in fact, he uses a special name for the Lord. Or say the Lord Sabaoth. The Lord Sabaoth, Hebrew word name, the God of hosts. The Lord of hosts, or say, is one of the majestic names for God and portrays him as the commander of the heavenly armies. Osro asrafo panino. Wosiso omobrofo no esufre no a obetie no obeye ne bisade ama. This conveys the idea that the abuse of the poor gets the attention of the supreme commander of the universe. Are you there, somebody? Abuse. Krono ayebo. Niema ya ensenem fatadinya sikano. Na yede yakoye sisie onga oyebi ma yensi eti omuka ne entua no onyame si nani ku ho. No mu sufre no a obetie. As a Christian, it is embarrassing when unsaved men tell me about a Christian who owes them money and apparently have no intention of paying. Si Christo ni wako bu obi besia. No way you anyone se memfa ho. Mintua. Oh. Mi hu anya se woni bia betua o. Hwe yie. Wo sufre urade obetie no. Emfa nyansa, emfa ni tie moni papo. Uti obi sika akotua ma no. No kredie ehia. Hwe yie. Na wa mo obi etini fie na da biara wo de nome egu so. No odome o. Enya de pa. Don't withhold it deceitfully. Emfa nyansa kwan emmokro no. Earn it honestly. Lukremu usika no unya esombo. You have lived. Number 3. Also, don't spend it selfishly. Share it generously. Enye pesemin kuminya usika ho. Nemum biewunsem na che mafufuro nya bi. You have lived on earth in pleasure and luxury. You have fattened your heart as in a day of slaughter. Ujiweni enra Thanksgiving, you know, ebinom de bia yom Thanksgiving. Ye nisa. Ye say sika woniema bebre ho. You have condemned, you have murdered the just. He does not resist you. Wenyina ye selfishness. Pesamin kuminya. Generously, we should distribute our income. God will bless you as you give. The well-worn cliche is true. You can't outgive God. Onyami wo bebre. Wo bebre. Obetimi ama bebre. Nenso ama me kwan. Wama wo kwan. Si emenya chefa ewo. Yemenya chefa. And into Proverbs chapter 11 verses 24-25 for say some people give much but get even more. Ote. Womuma bebre. Nenso omo senya bebre. Ote. Others don't give what they should and end up poor. Yes, what the man won't find into a here for. Whoever gives to others will get richer. Those who help others will themselves be helped. May God bless us. Wanga wo mafufron. Onyami be shira won wonga wo this won sika ye nyame adwuma no onyami be shira won wonga wo mabi no onyami be shira won ejirifo. That is the message. This is the word of God, period. Wonga ofra kuma pamuma no onyami asebo so be shira ti Yesu Kristo kan wo se mo nhihye mo adamudie e wasase so hwe ba bia enweboa eni na chi eni akronfo ebam na wobe seno na mo nhihye mo ahinie mo ajapade mo adamudie ewo wosoro hode enweboa eni na chi eni akronfo entumi emefa ba bia wadamudi wo no eho eni wakoma nso. Jesus did not say that where your heart is, we would put our treasures. No, he said the opposite. Where we put our treasure is where our heart will be. If I do see can say, so they say first Ghana safumo nyamia dumunti wakoma be wo nyamia safunum ubehwesa safuno be koso ubehwesa safuno be diye ubehwesa safuno niema be tuto ebe sisi so pepepepe. If he said you have invested in kingdom business, and that is what we're going to do. To invest in kingdom business. Yedi esika ekobua wo nyame adwuma. Yedi esika ekobua no nyame adwuma no akoso. Into Proverbs 13:11 say, wealth from get rich quick schemes quickly disappears. Wealth from hard work grows. Ote sika ye nyefri piram niyama hono e kontem. Ne sika ya briyeni ya tim fifre eni yedi enya no etna ho. He fan na wunya osika kwan be na wo fa super osika okwanhweni o Kristo ni amapa mo hwehwe onyame ahini ne trene kane We should not be workaholics. You kwadwuma 3 shift ni nyina pesi ye kobina no so nye enye. We should work hard and trust God. Then we should trust God. Keep work in balance. Work is a tool, not a goal. Yejuma enso hweye se won fan se woni padua ebre bi enyame be hia so ba bibi no na ni padua no wodi wa se na. Also for be Pentecostal pastor be na tro leti e come na safo. One guy from say health and wealth gospel. Name it and claim it. It's be abeka bia onyame de be ma. Yes, from say prosperity gospel. What say what relative? Listen to the letter. What say? There is no better way to ensure your financial security than to plant some seed money in God's way. What say? Kwen bia papa bia no abetimi edu sika ye bribi so udi sika no bi dem friend say seed money. Utua sika no hu sika no say yet say aba waguo ne beso ha ne mo. Or say his law of sowing and reaping guarantee you a harvest of much more than you sow. Onyame principle dia maye say yenye de ugu a eso aba no. Yen use sa principle ni ehu se ti edi esika man ebo anyame adwuma na yensu ye benya mfaso. Have you limited God to your present income, business, house or car? What's here? Would why you onyame asi baabi a wunya usika wunya sebe wo car te bia wom se no sa na hu nyame ana. There is no limit to God's plenty. Onyame ni obetimi di ama no e brusu bebre. Or say right on the enclosed slip. What do you need from God? Sure, free a group people the salvation of a loved one, healing, a raising in pay, a better job, newer car or home, sales or purchase of property, guidance in business and investment. Also, now pay biara what the truguso. Sika and answer the healing. Anyway, whatever you need, enclose your slave with the seed money. Expect God's material blessing in return. One more the any canal. Ubenya seed no di tumpe ubenya. But ye kind from 1 Timothy chapter 6 verses 9 and 10. Or see people who want to get rich fall into temptation and a trap and into many foolish harmful desires that plunge men into ruin and destruction. For the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil. Wonga wofa kwamboni su pesikano. Wasi ye dosika eno na di ye ko seye bebre manim guasia kan nipa bebre no eye presika pre onyame achirawo. It was a matter of investing. It was a matter of putting it where it's supposed to be. Kabe koswe di ye. Nenso ye pre. Timothy warns us, young people. We are warned by Timothy of the many problems that come with the desire to be rich. He tells us to beware. It is a trap. Young man, young woman, be very careful. Don't run after money. Allow God to lead whilst you follow. Notice what Timothy says and does not say here. Let's look first at what he does not say. Timothy does not say that money is evil. No, he does not say that money is a root of evil. No, rather he says that the love of money, sikape, is the root of all kinds of evil. Now, God's counsel is not against people who are wealthy, but against the wrong priorities of the wealthy. Wrong priorities of the wealthy. And niema here this year ni so sikapenti and Timothy say, command those who are rich in the present world. Se wonga wo yes at the four some pay not to be arrogant, not to put their hopes in wealth. So on your hand time, no for when need that's what sikam, which is so uncertain. What is uncertain. But to put their hope in God, who richly provides us with everything for our enjoyment. Put your hope in God. Put your hope in God. Place your hope in God. For when need us when you are sewradim, for dating you are sewradim, for when you are 12 radiso, a besi will cray. Ochna, Unyamiado. Yebeba for the. Have you planned your own? Have you finalized it? What decided? Niawo koye. Edi abo unyami ejuma. Minim si man penifo no meka samre. There be unyami nti. Obia siesie no na wotwi. Obia siesie na koma mu. Nia wode ko bua unyami ejuma. Nia wote n'animu ma no. Wono en unyami hira. Let us make history tomorrow by God's grace. Yebe set example ama unyami asafo ewo wiase nyinara. No mo hu the need. First Ghana safo. Jise Macedonia safo no. Wofra koma pem wan hu hiem wan boa sitom oye won famu die wode boa unyami adwuma ebretia wa osia sorry dan de she unyami animonyam. Na esi obiara nya chefa ewo. Unyami nhira. No onya okese. Shalom. God bless.
Amen.
Amen. Amen, Pastor. Also, shalom be. Edinyamia se, Pastor say, enyumre nso. Ode asema itu a was saying na my rechichi semsi ede my na said de me Canada no o kati across our